Look, starting your Amazon FBA journey can be overwhelming, and I know the feeling. I've been there. So don't worry, I got your back. We'll go over the best 3 products that you can sell that will help you make money and do well in your Amazon FBA business. Yeah, I've been on the journey for the past 2 years and I've learned a lot of valuable lessons from experience, and I want to share that with you. And last year I was able to sell over $1 million selling name brand items. So stay with me here and let's get started. Number 1 is beauty products, and it's a top product to sell for several reasons. Number 1 reason is the high demand of the beauty products. The beauty industry is worth over $500 billion and it's still growing, which is crazy. You combine that with Amazon's 200 million Prime customers and you have a perfect recipe. Selling beauty is pretty much a new gold rush because people nowadays are looking to find different ways to improve their lifestyle, their looks, especially with the social media lifestyle we got going on now. Plus, Amazon is the one-stop shop for pretty much everything when you're shopping to these beauty categories. And not only that, they can combine it with maybe a new shoe, a new clothes to go with their makeup or beauty products that they just shop. And consider this, Amazon will offer those customers the 1 or 2 free Prime shipping, which is another incentive to shop at Amazon.com. Second reason is repeat purchases. Look, beauty products are pretty much consumable items, right? People need to use it and they need to repurchase that item after it's finished, especially if they love the brand or the product themselves. And this is what I personally look for, and so as Amazon sellers, because this is the holy grail in terms of replens.
The holy grail.
This is the slang that us Amazon sellers use if we had found a beauty product or a lead, because we only have to buy that once and we pretty much replan it every single month once we run out of stock. Another reason is the wide margins available, especially if you are reselling name brand beauty products that is really popular and everyone loves to buy. A lot of these brands of the beauty products tend to have sales going on their website just because with the demand going on. And I've seen personally some of them is either buy one get one or up to 50% off, which is just awesome. And last reason is that beauty products are super light and small, which means they're easy to store and prep when you send them to Amazon FBA warehouses. So think about like a lipstick or an eyeliner, right? They're very small and light. So I was actually talking to one of my friends that's very good in the beauty category, and he was able to pack about 200 items in $1 when he was shipping it to Amazon. Now compare that, like personally, I've sold sneakers myself and I can only fit about 12 to 11 pairs of shoe boxes in one box. So as you can see the difference there, where it really can save you in terms of shipping and storage items when it comes to your business sending it to FBA. Now the second best product to sell on Amazon FBA is going to be video games. And the number 1 reason why I love video games is the very, very, very low chance of return. And video games is just a becoming more popular industry in general. Think about like, the esports going on with the tournaments, also the Twitch streaming that are becoming more mainstream. Like a lot of people are making a living out of these Twitch streaming, just like how YouTubers now. So as you can see, video games is a very untapped category that many people don't think they can sell. And another reason is the wide variety available in terms of the video games. You got your sports games, you got your RPG games, you got your shooting games like Call of Duty. Of course, you have your classics as well. And this just opens up a whole new opportunity for you if you think about it, because there's pretty much a game for everyone regarding their age, their taste of the game. So it just opens up the opportunity of what you can source out there and sell on Amazon FBA. Another reason is that video games is a multi-purpose product. So what I mean is that you can buy them new, right? And the second one is you can sell them as used as well. And that's really a great opportunity for everyone if you can find them, very low and sell them for a profit on Amazon. It's very common practice because back in the day when I would have, wanted new video games, I would sell my old ones to GameStop and they would rip me off. They give me 50 cents to $1, which is crazy. So now you can apply the same concept and try to find these video games for low and sell them for retail or the market value in terms of an Amazon FBA. And last reason is video games are super easy to prep, just like beauty. Especially if you're buying new video games, all you have to do is literally slap the sticker on the back of the game itself if you are not using the barcode from the manufacturer. So that's pretty much it. Easy to prep. They're already sealed, so there's pretty much nothing else you can do aside from that. And the last best product to sell is going to be sports and outdoor category. And the first reason is just like the beauty. It's an ever-growing market. You know, it really gained a lot of popularity after the pandemic we had a couple years ago, where a lot of people were spending more time outside, whether that's camping or hiking. So sports and outdoor is a great category in terms of that, in terms of the popularity and the availability to sell them on Amazon as well. In addition, you have seasonality and recurring demand. So the easiest way to think about this is, you have your seasons like summer and winter time. So for example, like summertime, you're gonna get your hiking, your camping, your water ski stuff. So that's pretty much popular in that terms. Then when you go to the winter time, it's a completely different ball game. So yeah, for winter, you obviously have your ski, your snowboard, you have your warm clothing. So it's pretty much recurring demand throughout the year, but different products that you can source. And the best way to really take advantage of this is to buy them during off season. And off season is a great way. I don't know if you've noticed, you walk into maybe like a TJ Maxx or a Marshall, you'll see a huge, puff jacket, maybe like a huge discounted during the summertime just because it's off season. So you can stock up on those things. Then during winter time, you're pretty much ready for that. So once you get the grasp of how the cycle works on terms of that, it's a great way to definitely take advantage year by year, because the demand is coming per season. Another reason is the brand loyalty in terms of the sports enthusiasts that's using these products. We all love brands, and the biggest easy example for this is Nike. Nike dominates the sports industry in terms of brand, and it's not even close. They win by popularity by a landslide. And Nike will have pretty much the power in terms of how much they can charge these, premium prices for their products. And guess what? People still do this. Another great example of charging a premium price and people paying for it is Lululemon. And last reason is you'll have the opportunity to cross-sell or bundle these products sometimes, especially if they're already at Amazon. Give you an example, the brand Patagonia, right? Someone can just sell the hat themselves, then they might as well, they can buy the bag, they can buy the jacket themselves, they can buy, the water bottle. So that's what I mean by cross-selling or building bundles in terms of the sports and outdoor category. But wait, you guys, I have a bonus for you in terms of the category. It's a really growing category that you need to jump on if you wanted to start growing as fast as possible. It's going to be pet categories. And this happened to me when I first recognized this when I lived in Miami in a high-rise apartment. Is there were literally I think more dogs than the people living there. And I'll show you guys the facts somewhere here on the screen, but that is a great category in terms of where it's trending, especially it's more expensive now to have a child. So a lot of younger couples are having dogs or having pets in general to have as their companion. And just like the other products we had talked about, there's a lot of categories in terms of pet supplies. You have your dog, your cat, you get your reptiles, you get your fish. So the list goes on and that. As long as you really open up to what you can find out there, the opportunity is literally almost endless. And guys, if you have found value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe. I would truly, truly appreciate that. And if you want to learn how to find quality suppliers for your Amazon FBA business, check this video out right here. Thank you so much. Catch you in the next one.